Hello guys and welcome to my new video. I'm going to call it the editor guide. Oh, one thing I forgot is to really name it. Let me name it just real quick. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use the editor right and make really cool levels with it. No, wait, sorry. Edit one. Okay, I'm not going to show you everything for this, but how you can see, I made a little, actually easy tutorial, which actually didn't look like an easy tutorial. And don't ask why I made this mana orbs and this coins or this big thing right. Okay, this thing right here, I'm going to delete it. Wait. So, boom. So, we're gonna make a machine, or should we say that the monster which carries you all the way to the level. And you can also make this, like, obbies with it. Look, when I don't press, I'm going to get the saw. But we need to press, and going to get up and down is no way for. So, for a raid, if you want to get a raid level, I would recommend to make coins. So silver coins. These are silver coins. You can find them in this menu where this thing is. And yes, you cannot add more than 3 coins in a single level. That's the point. If you cannot actually make or you cannot get coins if your level isn't rated. So it looks for me like that the coins are silver, which means that the coins are getting rated or are rated, but it's not the truth. So these coins aren't rated, and I didn't even release the level yet, but it just looked like this. Let me explain real quick. So brown coins mean that the coins are not rated, or should I say the coins aren't gettable. You can't get them. So you can't get them, but they are not going to be verified for you. They are just like for decoration or something. If RobTop noticed your level and rated your level and saw that your coins are actually good for the level or matches, then she's going to make the coins silver, and you can collect them. So, in this video I'm going to show you, like I said, this monster. This is actually not so complicated. It's actually easy if you understand all these things. So, first is, all you need to do actually is for this, you need 2 move triggers, which you can find on this list, and you need 1 alpha. That's all. But you may not know what these blocks can do or these triggers can do. So the alpha trigger can this alpha trigger can make blocks invisible with a special ID. You can add IDs when you... Let me just use this fake mana option. If I go to edit group, and then I can add a group ID, like I'm going to go on next 3, and I have 7 because I already added 6 group IDs. For you, if you made a new level, it's going to be 1. You can add these group IDs to these objects, but we aren't going to do it or everything is going to be gone. So you need to first make this model. You're gonna make a little monster. I can show it you. This one. Wait, where was the fist? The fist was here. Let me go. Yes, here it was. You're gonna make the fist a bit one here, and they should actually look like this if you made it right. I don't know what you can make from here, but I would make it like this. So I ain't going to use another model, but I can explain it to you. So the monster needs to have the group ID 2 and 5. So this only is for worlds or levels who you aren't used, or you made a level but you didn't use a group ID. If you made a level with a group ID, I'm going to explain it later. So if you have no group IDs, you're gonna add to the monster the group ID 2 and 5. I think you need a bit time to do it. If you did it, then so we can start. Okay, then this 2 fists you have, you're gonna add the group ID 2, 5 and 2, 4 and 5 to it, and the other also 2 and 5. Okay, I think this wasn't. On these fists, you're gonna make 2 move triggers. One is the target group ID 5, and it should look like this. You don't need to make the move time so I did. The move time is in this video how long it will carry you. So I can say it like this. I made it like a random timer, so it goes infinite. So it's not infinite, but I think this timer is infinite. And you don't need to make this. You don't need to write it. Just gonna make log x and log y player. And this is very important. And this group ID to 5 and target group ID. The other is actually the same, but just with the group ID target at 4 and move time 0.50. And oh my gosh, I forgot one thing. Make these both triggers to touch triggers. If you make it to not touch trigger, it won't work, because I can show you what it make when you don't make touch trigger. Like, oh, wait, and let me make the music off real quick. Where is it? Where is it? Let me make the music off. Where is it? Come on, I just want to make the music off. Wait. Okay, here. The music is off. Okay. Create editor guide. So, if you make these both not to touch trigger, then this is gonna happen. I make it to platform right now, it won't work. So, oh no, please wait. So you can't reach the fist. Oh, she despawned because on. Yes, I'm going to explain it later why she despawned. So you're gonna miss the bus, and then you're gonna, or should I say, you're gonna miss the fist, and then you can't go on the right with him. So you're gonna make this both to touch trigger. Like, come on, so touch trigger. And let me make this both touch trigger again. Wait, where can I make this one is touch trigger and this one is also touch trigger. Okay, come on. So you don't need to make this like this, so I would recommend to make it. And the game mode or game type, you make it to classic. Yes, you need to do this. You need to add the stairs, or it won't really work. You don't need to make this mana ops model I did, or these coins, which I actually this actually I wanted to make something, but it didn't work, so I'm going to make it in another video when it worked, or if it worked. I'm gonna delete it real quick. And you need to add 2 blocks. It is actually, and you don't need to add these 2 blocks, so you don't need to add these blocks. You can also add these blocks, but I don't come to the idea to make spikes on it. So and not slabs. I would just use one of these. But in this video we're gonna use these. The group ID of this blocks is going to be 3 and 5. Yes, and the other is also going to 3 and 5. And the alpha trigger, you need to place the alpha trigger real quick. And if you edit it, make the fade time to 0, and the group ID to 3, and the target group ID to 3, and the opacity to 0, and not a touch trigger, please. So let's try if it's worked. Oh, wait, yes, try. Okay. Yes, I think if you made all the good, then it will work. But I'm going to show you why the monster despawned once we made it platformer and we didn't made it to okay, I guess okay. So I made these move objects that it moves 10 blocks up, so you can fall down. Because if you don't fall down, I think then you will ride an endless time, and this is not good. So I made it that is this monster or this carrier goes 10 blocks up, and we're gonna make the target group ID to 5, or it won't work. So, and not a touch trigger, and the move time to 0. Okay, I think this was everything. Oh, I forgot one thing. I think all of you guys who worked in the editor mode want to get a rated level, right? So, to get a rated coin, should I say, you need to make it secret. So, if you don't know how to make it secret, wait, what did I do? A secret. I made it like this. If you spam real quick, you get the silver coin. If you don't do it, you go the normal way, like this. Wait, like this. This is the normal way. Jump and yes, you fall down. So I think this was it for this video. If it don't work for you guys, then please comment down below what your errors were, and I'm going to try to answer it in the next video. So I think we can delete this all, right? I'm just kidding. We're gonna use this for the next video. Okay, bye bye. I say bye.